Hey guys, it's me, Flopsy Railway Productions here. Today, on this episode of Let's Talk About Trains, we will talk about the Silverliner 4s, one of the greatest trains to be on SEPTA. With that being done, we will begin this episode. SEPTA needed another Silverliner, and to serve alongside the 2s and 3s. And so came in the Silverliner 4s, which were delivered in 1974. That same year, President Nixon resigned. The Silverliner 4s had Penn Central logos, Conrail, along with the Conrail logo, and then were reverted back to a PRR logo, and then reverted back to a Penn Central logo. Why? Because of the merger of the PRR and the New York Central, in which they merge, it becomes Penn Central, and soon after, the other paint scheme was changed into the SEPTA paint scheme that we all know today. But as has been done, no Silverliner has ever gone through their career without a scratch. In 1980, Silverliner 4 9020 smashed into another Silverliner 4 at North Wales Station in Pennsylvania. The cause was the engineer's fault, which is known as operator error. Despite the crash, the Silverliner 4s pressed on in service for several more years. They are loved by crews and rail fans, along with SEPTA, and to rail fans, the Silverliner 4s became fan favorites. The Silverliner 4s, already being reliable, are being threatened out of service by a newcomer to SEPTA, the Silverliner 6s. It's all on phase 3 of the catching up plan. No timeline or retirement has been given yet. The Silverliner 4s won't last forever, but we are going to miss them when they go, and when they get retired, we hope there's a farewell excursion, just like the AEM 7s. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next Let's Talk About Trains episode, where we talk about the F-59 PHIs. And, as I would say, all aboard!